It may arrive as mist, shifting, or rain, or the unweighable lightness of cloud, air's wet breath seeping into earth, marking the watershed. And so the river begins. Slowly, slowly, seen, unseen, where land softens, water finds its way, seeks opportunities, works around challenges, shapes place, is shaped by place, dances over stones. Where do we go as we follow the flow? Can we think like water, as a community moving forwards, moving on, step by step towards openness? As rain becomes pool, pool becomes stream, stream becomes river, river becomes sea. How might we, together, move forwards, move on, harness flows of data, build understanding? What questions arise? Imagine the possibilities. Imagine the conversations of many voices in a navigation of learning, ideas and choices through the landscape of research and practice. The pace is always changing. The weather is always changing, showing itself in water and its cargo of light, stories, time. Look both ways, upstream, downstream. Can we pool our knowledge and our skills, our curious minds, and forge collective progress as we adapt to the many moods of water and work with its changing shape, our lives entwined? Rapids can be followed by calm. We can rush on, then ease out, pause, then move again, finding solutions together. One drop meets another, and another, and another, to join the flow. Rain becomes stream, becomes river, becomes sea. And the clouds on the horizon are the past and the future, hovering